If you like going live on TikTok, moderators can help you monitor and respond to comments from your viewers. I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll show you how to add moderators for your live streams on TikTok. Now let's get started. To add moderators on TikTok, open the TikTok app and tap the plus sign at the bottom. Now select Live. Tap the settings icon. Now select Moderators. Tap the person icon with a plus sign on the right. Now select the people you would like to add as moderators. You'll be able to see a list of your TikTok friends here. Tap Add next to their name to make someone a moderator. You can search for a specific friend you would like to make a moderator in the search bar at the top. You can only add people who are your friends on TikTok as moderators, meaning you must follow them and they must follow you. Your TikTok moderators should be people you know and trust. They'll be able to mute or block people on your live streams on your behalf. Note that when you add someone as a moderator on TikTok, they'll receive a notification letting them know that you have added them as one of your live moderators. When you're done adding people, tap the arrow in the top left corner to go back to your list of current moderators. You can always remove someone as a moderator by tapping Remove next to their username. Once you've set up your list of moderators, those users will be able to help you moderate the comments on your live streams on TikTok. Check out our tutorial on how to block or mute someone on TikTok Live and share it with your moderators to help them learn the basics. That's all it takes to add moderators for TikTok Live. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.